I just graduated from KTH in Stockholm, and I wanted to show what my room looks like in like student accommodation in Stockholm. So yeah, welcome to the room tour. This is my entrance door, so I just put a bunch of posters and little knickknacks up. I usually keep my rubbish here, which I should take out. And then there's like this kind of area for your jackets, and I keep all my bags and things up here, and just the things I use every day, so I just pack it up easily. I have a little Taylor Swift poster, but that's a story for another time. And then here is the bathroom. I think the bathroom is the least satisfying and like aesthetic place in the like little room, just because it's just not been renovated. So I'm just gonna close that door and ignore that for now. But as you also enter, you have these like closets, which are pretty spacious. I'll show you inside. It's like this. So you can have tons of hangers, tons of space. As you can see, I use it a lot. It's quite a mess at the moment, but you have shelves and things. You can keep your clothes over here, and then you have more storage at the top. So there's plenty of storage that's already built in. And then moving into the main room, I have my bed right on the left-hand side, and then my bed stand right next to it. Actually, this bed, it's a foldable couch, you would never guess. I keep a big full-size mirror next to it. I really like to check my outfits before I leave. This mirror right here, it was just standing outside the building that people were just getting rid of. And the same thing for this lamp right here. Yeah, this lamp I got for free. It was just standing outside my building, waiting for the rubbish to be taken out. And I've been loving the carpet that I have here. I mean, it adds so much color to the room and so much character. And then here is my little chaos corner. I have a concrete 3D print over here. Tell me you do architecture without telling me. And then I have my big Monstera plant, which again, I actually got for free. It was a bit smaller when I got it, just been taking care of it. So you can keep an eye out on Facebook Marketplace, or just talk to your friends that have too many plants or want to share. So yeah, and I just keep on this chair, which I got for free again, just like laying around. So this is really random, but that's what's happening. And then here is my view. So I live north of Stockholm, and this is the neighborhood. So all of these buildings are actually student accommodation. This is Kungshamra, and yeah, it's a pretty green area. There's a forest behind us, and then you can see the skyscrapers of part of Stockholm's like central area, and yeah, the actual like central area is right over there. But yeah, that's the view. This big hanger over here temporarily. I usually don't have it here, but I'm gonna be selling some stuff on Vinted, so I'm just gonna keep it there to like display some clothes and take pictures. But here's like my workstation, I guess, and my little snack tray with my tea, because your girl loves tea. And then over here, I keep all my mugs, a little kettle, and a filter for water, because that's my little hydration station, okay? And then here I have my desk area. So this is pretty simple, self-explanatory. I just keep my laptop over here, the chair. The chair and the desk I actually got from a girl that was moving out, and I think she sold me this shelving unit and then the desk and the chair for like 150 crowns. It was pretty cheap. And yeah, over here I just have all my other things. So I have my books, some random belongings, some leftover sentimental projects I had from architecture school, and some graduation gifts, some journals, books, and so on. And then this is a bit of a chaos corner also. I have my laundry air dryer, and then a fan, my yoga mat, and then my laundry over there. So I keep it behind this door. I usually keep it a bit more shut. But yeah, that's pretty much all of my Kungshamra room. Well, I love having posters and pictures up. This is super easy and pretty much free. I mean, if you have something sentimental or you have some posters that mean something to you, if you've been places, keep an eye out for the free things they give out. For example, this is from an architecture museum. This was from an event they attended. I actually made this poster, so I just printed it out on like an A3 piece of paper. And they have these like postcards and things. So you can pretty much decorate your room for really cheap and make it your own. It's not the most luxurious way to decorate, but it definitely gives you some ideas and freedom to personalize your space. Another way is definitely to be creative. I just found this piece of fabric and I thought, you know what, let's hang it up. And another thing is, this is a big part, in my opinion, is add plants and fairy lights. I mean, you cannot never have enough plants and fairy lights everywhere. I'll show you also the kitchen as it is right now. Like, I won't clean it or anything because it is a common kitchen, so I want to show you the reality of it. But yeah, the room itself includes the bathroom, so that's like your private quarters in a way, but then you share the kitchen with 12 other people that are in the corridor. So let's go. So the kitchen actually didn't have all these little decorations behind me. It was me and a friend who put these up just to kind of, you know, bring some coziness into the room. It's usually stripped down, pretty simple. Depends who used to live here before. But as I just showed you, there's basically tons of seating area. And then behind here is like the main kitchen area. So there's sinks, and then there's stove on each side, and then there's 2 fridges on both sides, and then there's the countertop, which is pretty much never clean, but that's another story. It's a pretty bright and airy space, and yeah, you obviously have to share the chores for the bins and stuff. Pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about living in Kungshamra or in student accommodation in Sweden, let me know, and I'm happy to answer those questions. That's all for now. Thank you, and bye!